Hello everybody, how are you today? So today we'll start Unit 6, which is about the neighborhood. Neighborhood is a place that where you live. So we will start with the grammar. There is and there are. بمعنى هنالك. There is for singular and there are for plural. So if we say there is a park, there is no mall. There is a park. ليش استخدمنا a? Because a park is one singular. So we need the indefinite article a وما استخدمنا an because the p is consonant. There is no mall. ممكن نقول there is no mall, or if you see the last one there are no clubs. So no can be used for both singular or plural حسب الاسم اللي بعدها. There are a lot. طبعا a lot to some و couple تجي معها فقط are. ليه؟ لأن اللي بعدها أكيد راح يكون جمع. Okay. There is هي اختصار there is. And adjectives can be before nouns. Of course الadjectives تسبق الأسماء. الصفات تسبق الأسماء بالإنجليش عكس العربي. Then if you can see here we have some sentences and they ask you if this sentence مثلا is true to your neighborhood or not. If not you can just give or correct it or give the opposite. I would يعني suggest if you just write the opposite. مثلا there are no swimming pools. تحطين انت العكس. What are you gonna say؟ اللي هي مثلا there is a swimming pool. أو ممكن تحطين adjective there is a huge or big swimming pool in our neighborhood and so on. This is the most important part in your unit اللي هو telling the time. كيف إنك تخبرينا بالوقت. We have two sides or two aspects of this topic اللي هي vocabulary و grammar. راح نتناولها عن طريق المفردات وعن طريق القواعد. So vocabulary first. How to tell time, which is very important. مثلا إذا كان الوقت حكم زي ما نقول 11 حكم we're gonna say it's 11 o'clock. أما لما تكون 2:05 هي لها طريقتين زي بالعربي. ممكن نقول 2:05 or 2:05. So it is 2:05 which is easier to say, or it is 5 after 2. لاحظوا احنا بدينا بالminutes before the hour. So it's 5 after 2. نعاملها معاملة الادجكتيف الدقائق عشان بس ترسخ في أذهاننا. لما تكون هنا الساعة 4 مثلا 15 دقيقة بنقول it's 4:15. بس لما تكون لما نبغى نقول 4:15 it is a quarter after 4. ممكن نقول after or past. وصحيح نقول past يعني هي الأكثر شيوعا اللي هي it's a quarter past 4 or it's a quarter after 4 as you like. Here اللي هي لما نقول 10 و30 دقيقة أو 10:30 it is 10:30. More common than half. إحنا ما نستخدم بالإنجليش مثلا 10 and a half. No, with time ما نقول half نقول 10:30. هنا لما يكون اللي هي إلا زي إلا ربع وليست و. So مع إلا نستخدم to. Like it's a quarter to 7 يعني 7 إلا ربع. And it's 10:09 يعني 9 إلا 10. It's 12 a.m. and it's midnight. حسب يعني if you want to say midnight معناتها 12 اللي هي 12 a.m. 12 a.m. If it's 12 p.m. you can say noon. noon طبعا هي فترة الضحى. و a.m. ترمز للصباح و p.m. ترمز للمساء. Okay, then let's see the grammar. In grammar, telling time, مثلا you want to say, what time do you get up usually? So it is, when you say what time, that means, the listener should answer you with exact time. مثلا it is 6:30. أو مثلا and if I want to ask about مثلا what time does the concert start? It starts at. So تبدأ الساعة مثلا 9 نستخدم with time at وليست in. خطأ شائع كثير يستخدمون in. لا هي at with time. Yeah, if you don't know the exact time or you are not sure هل هي 10 أو 10:15 you can say it's about or it's around. So هذه يعني حوالي. That means you are not sure about the time. Here we have a quick exercise which is very easy. مثلا you just write what time to ask a question. Of course we're gonna use also the helping verb to ask a question. You can precede that all with excuse me. Of course انت حابة تكونين more polite تكونين لطيفة راح تقولين excuse me what time مثلا do they leave work or school. Okay, here I feel like we need to حس إنه هنا في خطأ. مفروض إنه نمسح because this is the answer. This is the time. So I prefer إنه بس نوقف هنا إلى school. So the answer is in the afternoon. Okay. Right, and I know. These two phrases or words, they show that you agree with someone or that you are listening. مثلا زي ما نقول right اللي هي مثلا لما أحد يسولف عليك تقول right يعني إيه صادقة. So we use it a lot. I know إيه أعرف. I feel like I know is less polite. ما حسيت إنها polite لما someone is telling you something and you say I know. أحس in Arabic it's not polite لما تقول إيه أعرف. I don't know if you use it or not, but I don't like it. But of course يعني in this exercise we use them both. Okay, حتقول لك هنا إنه right is more common than I know. Look at here. مثلا it has some great restaurants. Maybe they are talking about a neighborhood. Then she said right, but they are expensive. He said yeah, I know. Okay, and أعرف إنها عادية. Okay, so here for example we have every neighborhood needs a stadium. ممكن تكون right or I know. It's optional يعني whether to use right or I know. It depends on what you think it's more appropriate to say. Then the last thing here we have is the homework. It is exercise 1A and B, page 44. Please do them and take a photo of your homework page and email it to me to my address here. And thank you for your listening.